Welcome to the kitchen. Today we're going to make zucchini with black-eyed peas, which is actually a dish called Louvi Fresko from Cyprus. I really love this. I made it a couple years ago, and since it's January and I wanted to do something else with black-eyed peas for good new year, we're going to do this. I'm going to change it just a little bit. When we made it the last time, I really enjoyed it, but I just want to increase a bit of the flavor. So we're going to be using lemons, or zucchini, the black-eyed peas, the Za'atar Seasoning, which that blend is on a video on my YouTube channel, so check it out so you know how to make it, bay leaves, and olive oil. So then I'm going to get everything mise en place, and I'll show you how to make it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you. Here I have the black-eyed peas, and they're soaking in water. We're going to let that soak overnight, and then tomorrow we can start cooking it. Here are our black-eyed peas. After I let them soak overnight, you can see that they've plumped up, and now we're going to strain it, drain off all that water. So I'm going to drain this. And I also like to rinse it with some cold water. So rinse that off. All right, so here's our 4 cups of water. We're gonna pour this in, and then we're gonna bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. And we're gonna let it cook for about 2 hours. And we're gonna add to this bay leaf. There we go, there's our 1 bay leaf. So we're gonna let this simmer for 2 hours. We're gonna bring it to a rapid boil, then I'll turn it down to low and let it cook for 2 hours. So while our black-eyed peas are cooking, we're gonna get everything else ready. So we have our lemons. We want 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. This is a microplane zester. And we're just gonna zest this. And when you're zesting the lemon, make sure you keep rotating it and get just the bright lemon peel, not the white pith underneath. That white part underneath tastes very bitter, and we don't want that. We just want the lovely floral note of lemon zest in this dish, which is a key component. The lemon juice goes in, it makes it so really good. So microplane zester, and when you measure, pack it in. Okay, you want 1 packed teaspoon of zest. And then we're gonna juice the juice of 2 lemons. So always press down to get the juices released, and then squeeze it into a measuring cup so that way if you get any pits, you can remove them before you put it into the dish. All right, so here are zucchini, and we just wanna cut these up into about 1/3 of an inch thick, and we're gonna cut them in half. So I'm just gonna slice it down the middle. So you can just with a chef knife too. I just use the paring knife. Okay, so just try to make it consistent, the same thickness each slice, and that's the size we want. All right, we have everything mise en place, and now we're going to start getting this in. These have been cooking for 2 hours now, and most of the liquid has evaporated, but there still is some liquid in here. Can you see that? Here. So we're now going to add in our zucchini. We're going to add in our lemon juice, olive oil, the Za'atar Seasoning, our Kosher Salt, a pinch of black pepper, the cilantro that I'm going to use in the dish. We're going to hold off adding that until the very end. We're going to add in our lemon zest, olive oil, and the lemon juice. So I'm gonna get all of these ingredients in here. I'm gonna stir it around, and then I don't actually have a lid for this, so I'm just gonna use this as my lid. We're gonna cover it and let it cook. The zucchini is gonna shrink, and then we'll stir in the cilantro in the last 5 minutes of our cooking. So this has been simmering for about 30 minutes, and you can see all the zucchini is cooked down and the liquid has gotten very thick. So I'm gonna add in our cilantro, a tablespoon of chopped cilantro, and we're only gonna cook it now for another 5 minutes because I really don't want to have that cilantro bright green color disappear. Here's our finished dish. I'm gonna just squeeze a little bit of lemon juice right on the top and garnish it with the cilantro, and it tastes absolutely delicious. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this, and we'll make it at home. Take care, everybody. Bye. recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.